What is up, Ultimate Ninjas Libertyville? Derek here for week 8, the final week of the Youth League. Before we hit the finals, we're going to jump right into it. 3-minute time limit today. Just as always, you have 2 people on the course, 1 person for chalk, 1 person to help you film. Let's get to the course. First thing is bounding over mountains. You're going to start on this green box. You will use these steps. You can go hands and feet up and over to the trampoline, to another step, up and over, hands and feet to the trampoline, up and over the parkour step, and dismount onto the black box. This is a 3-point obstacle. You receive your first point when you touch the first trampoline. Receive the second point when you touch the second trampoline. And you receive your third and final point when you reach the green box. From there, you'll come over here onto this black box. Just be aware of this box here is part of the course later on, so do your best to not knock this over. You will hop up onto this black box. The UFO will be at its starting position. And you will grab the UFO and you will slide it down the track. There is a stopper, but only on one side. Just be aware of that. And you receive the final dismount is the pit pillow. This is a 3-point obstacle. If you bring the camera over here, your first point is right here at this pink tape line. Your second point is received at that pink tape line. And your third and final point is when you dismount onto the pit pillow, momentum moving forward. Now, this pit pillow is your starting platform for the next obstacle, so there's no touching the gray at all. You'll be moving on to the cargo net traverse. Start here using any bit of the cargo net you need to dismount all the way down here. This is a 3-point obstacle. You receive your first point when you reach this section right here. Second point when you receive past this invisible line here. And then your third and final point when you dismount onto the floor. From there, you'll come around here. And you will start your next obstacle, the treacherous journey. You will have the captain's hooks will be placed in these first 2 carabiners. And you will move your way down using only the hooks, and you can only have your hand on the black part. You cannot use the hook at all, only the black. And you're gonna put in the hook all the way down till you reach the dismount. This is a 5-point obstacle. You receive your first point when you touch the first cannonball, or the second cannonball. You receive your second point when you hook a cannonball into this carabiner. You receive your third point when you hook into this carabiner. And then you receive your fourth point when you hook into this carabiner. And your fifth and final point on the dismount. From there, you will move on to rope jungle. You will use the ropes, any combination of ropes, using your hands and feet to dismount onto the black box here. It is a 3-point obstacle. You receive your first point, this rope right here, or this rope. Second point for this rope or this rope. And your third and final point on the dismount. From there, you will drop to the red here, which is your starting platform for sharp incline. You will start up, going up the balance beam. You are not allowed to use the front of this step. Not allowed to use the front. You can use the top and the back of this step, but you cannot use anything on the front plane here. You must use the balance beam to get to the top here. You will then you can use your hands on the beam if necessary. Hands are allowed on the beam. Up the obstacle, and then you can use your hands on the box as well to set yourself on to the razor's edge setup here, and then dismount on to the red. This is a 4-point obstacle. First point, when you reach the top of the step. Second point, razor number 1. Third point, razor number 2. Fourth point, dismount. From there, you'll come over to this box right here, and you will start Lachey Lane. You'll use these bars all the way down to this cliffhanger here. You are only allowed to use the bottom green one, the 1-inch cliffhanger. You cannot use the 3-inch one above it, only the 1 inch there. The blue also can't be used, so you can't grab over the top, only the 1-inch cliffhanger. And then you are allowed to use this truss with your feet, but only this metal bar with your hands. You cannot use this metal bar, and you cannot use the black. But this whole truss is on with your feet, metal bar with your hands, and then the dismount is here on the black. This is a 5-point obstacle. You receive your first point when you touch this bar. Second point when you touch this bar. Third point when you touch this bar. Fourth point when you touch the 1 inch. And your fifth and final point on the dismount. From there, you will go on to the curvy, swervy rings. You will use the rings and banana here to get over to this bar and dismount onto the pit pillow. All right, this is a 3-point obstacle. You receive your first point when you get to this ring. Your second point when you get to this ring. And your third and final point when you dismount onto the pit pillow. You must dismount on this part of the pit pillow, this right here, blue floor, off. All right, you must land on the pit pillow and carry forward onto your last obstacle, which is the warped wall. Typical warped walls that we have. Warped wall rules that we've had before. 4 walls, 4 points. You get 1 point if you do the 8-foot wall, 2 points for the 10-foot wall, 3 points for the 12-foot wall, 4 points for the 14. You get the points for the lowest wall used. So if you grab the 14 but put your foot on the 12, then you only get 3 points because you used the 12-foot wall. Again, 3 minutes, guys, to finish this course. Hope you had fun. It's been a great season. Crush it tonight.
Good luck, everybody. Ultimate Ninjas, Libertyville. This is week 8. Course demonstration. This is the last week before the finals. Pay attention. All right, here we go.